Hi, today we're gonna make pan fried black tiger shrimp. We use the jumbo shrimp, big one, 4 to 6 shrimp a pound. That's a pretty good size. That's a pretty good size, like this. And they have a little horn here, real sharp. You have to cut it. So you cut it like that. Cut the tip, like the eye and the mouth, the front off. And all you have to do is just cut the head open to clean up the little thing in the inside. See, you open it up like that. See? And you don't throw this away because this is the shrimp fat over here. You know that the thing here, and behind the head here, that in the front, and you have to take it out. See, you take this piece out in here. That's a kind of like a little stomach, the shrimp. See, a little piece here, and you leave this the shrimp fat in it, and you cut it out a little bit right here, and usually they don't get the wing that much inside, so see, you get the inside here. You see that little wing here. You see the little piece here, and you pull that out. Pull it out like that, and that's about it. And this one don't get any. All right. Then this is the shrimp, and we gotta put a little salt on it. Just a little salt, and some pepper, and we're gonna put some cornstarch in it. Just a little. And after that, and that's it. Then we're gonna turn on the heat. Okay, so we're gonna put this shrimp in there. This is 10 items. They are pretty easy to cook. Just take a few minutes on each side. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, then we're gonna turn them over. And you turn the heat down a little bit. So because it takes a little bit time to let it cook through the shrimp. And after that, I think it's cooked pretty soon. You can see the inside. You can check the inside. They're pretty much cooked. And so now we're gonna put some chopped up garlic in it. About one tablespoon of chopped up ginger. Okay. And you let it cook it slowly, Okay, then we're gonna put some salt on it. Black pepper. Okay, and now we can put the green chop up green onions in it. Kind of mix them around and put a little bit more salt in it. Alright. I'm going to put some sherry cooking wine. Sherry cooking wine. I'll cook about a couple tablespoons in it. Okay. I think that's it. Then it's done. Okay, this is pan fried jumbo black tiger shrimp.